Hey, Paul Katcheroff with 423byland.com. I've been selling real estate in this area for quite a long time now, and I sell RV lots. If you're looking for an RV lot or lot to place a unit on, if you want that cheap, easy way to beat the mortgage payment, well, you've come to the right place. I sell a lot of RV lots in Lake Livingston Village, and one of the biggest questions that people have is about development. The transaction itself is pretty easy. Buying the real estate's a piece of cake. We're honest people. We do good sales. We don't sell liens or judgments or outstanding taxes or outstanding POA fees. All our titles are clean, and everybody that buys from us, they build houses. We run into them 20 years later, and they're so happy they bought from us. The transaction's the easy part. But you see, to get what you want, to get that choice location, you're going to have to develop your lots. So what separates us from other sellers is that we document development. So here's an opportunity for you guys to see. We sold lot 158. Mark came in, start to finish, is the exemplary lot developer, do-it-yourself person. So from the very beginning, he got involved. He did his own clearing, and I've always said, hey, you can do your own clearing. He did the burn piles. He cleared it. He hired Dave. He installed the culvert. He built his own electric pole. Well, this journey, and I've documented his journey. I showed the electric that was being installed by Sam Houston on prior videos. His journey is remarkable. But he's an example of what one man can do when he's dedicated. Now, one thing about Mark is he's very patient. See, Mark is the type of person that understands attitude, and he enjoys what he's doing. It's all about attitude. When you do development, enjoy what you're doing. Micromanage it. Take each small task and whatever hurdle comes your way, you deal with it. And when it's done, you never have to do it again. Little by little, it becomes a journey. It's very, very easy. You know, you're your own worst enemy when it comes to development. And we're also here to help you. I just can't help but document Mark's journey because he has just done a bang-up job. Well, today is very special. So this is a very special video because he is having his new unit pulled on today. The lot is developed. So we're gonna pivot around here. Mark has just arrived. His unit should be arriving. It's 9 a.m. right now. He's got a 600 square foot unit. This is kind of the icing on the cake. Now it's a shell, so his journey is not done. He's gonna develop, and he's gonna fix the unit, and he's going to install the interior. But the lot itself is done. This is the fun part. This is the exciting part. So as we walk around here, Mark is there right now, and we're going to walk over there. I'm going to say hi to Mark, but we're going to pause this video in a second, and we're going to wait for that cabin to come down this street, and that cabin is going to come in through there. I believe Mark is pulling his RV out right now. So he's pulling his RV out with his truck, and he's making way for the big unit to come in. Seeing a cabin come onto a property is a bit of a rarity. You don't see it every day. So I'm the only person on YouTube that's going to document this and show you what it's like and why is it worth going through the development process. It's always worth it. It's always worth it. So this is a happy day that I want you to experience as a buyer. When you buy a property from me and you let, we want you to have that joy of success and hit that finish line, because man, you sure get paid back for everything that you do. But this is great. Stay tuned. We're going to show you more. Okay, Mark is pulling this out, and he's going to pull this around. So he's pulling this unit out, his RV. And Mark developed his entire lot. I documented the septic install. I documented the install of the electric pole, the clearing. Our guy Dave did the dirt work. Mark built his own pole. This lot has been tampered 2 or 3 times, and as you can see, he's got the meter there, and you can see the disruption in dirt, and he's got piping going right there. Okay. So I believe the unit's going to go maybe there, I think. All right, stay tuned. This is great. Okay, pretty exciting. Here's the deal. Here's the mover. He's come ahead in the white truck. He's got his partner right there in the blue shirt. And I was just discussing with him how they're going to pull the trailer on. And I opened up this gate so that they could pull it on across. But he said, this is a real tricky move. So I think they're going to go this way, right here. So right now he's calling his guy. They're en route. We've got everybody here. Dave is going to be coming out shortly to join this crowd. We're going to have 6 or 7 people here. Real exciting. I'm really happy for Mark. There it is, guys. Very cool. 600, roughly 600 square feet. This is an exciting day for Mark. By the way, there's Mark over there. This is Mark. And this is an exciting day. Very exciting. Here's his new unit that he's had. Well, that's a nice size unit. You can have this on your lot too. You can have this installed on your lot. I believe he financed this unit, so they'll finance it to you. And there's a hauling company, and this is really cool. It comes packed with this right here. This device is going to come off at some point in time. It's probably going to help pivot that. Mark, I'm excited for you. Congratulations, man. This is a big day. I want one. I want one. Boy, I can see that on lot 26. That is fantastic. Look at the size of that. I believe that's 600 square feet. You know. Here's a side angle. Very cool. They're going to get this Whopper on there too. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. You know, he's gonna finish this unit out himself. What a journey, man. See, this is the fun part. This is the fun part. He's already got his electric and everything. I would say this would put him at 70% done with his journey. But oh yeah. But man, that's a beautiful unit, Mark.
It's nice, man.
I'm jealous. I want one. All right, they're taking that off right now. And by the way, I got permission from the moving company to shoot the video. I got full permission to shoot the video. And so they're taking that off. That's a really interesting contraption. Very cool. I want to stay out of their way, but I got permission to shoot this video. By the way, folks, this is great footage you won't see from anywhere else, just 423 by land. Remember that. We go over and above to get you this type of footage. Every opportunity we jump on it because this is important to you, the buyer. Very neat. Okay, they're moving the wheels up so they can calculate the turnability. That's pretty cool. They have a hydraulic lift right there. You can see how it's going up. So they can move that unit around as they want. That axle's pretty cool right there. Pretty neat. David showed up to join the crowd. There's our developer Dave, our tractor guy. He does everything. So I'm trying to see what they're going to do here. Pretty neat. All right, so they're going to, I guess they're just going to drop it. Now that truck. All right, so we're going to watch this contraption and see how they do that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow, that's pretty cool, man.
I got a low tire. I gotta get this.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Technology, huh? You always wonder how they're going to swing it around. Very neat. Boy, these guys are really good the way they use their tools. They get in the tightest spots. I mean, really tight. You know, they said don't even bother moving the trucks over there. It's pretty amazing. Well, hey, they know what they're doing. These guys are great. Yeah. All right. There he is. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Now I'm thinking that they're going to have to swing it from the back and do something, put some more wheels on this, I'm thinking. Boy, it's a great unit. This unit is 800 square feet, the owner told me. You know, they never went over this culvert there. Right down the driveway that Dave installed, he did a big culvert right there. Okay, he's going to go to the back and swing the back around now. So he's going to swing the back end around, and what they're doing is they're watching these tires right there. Okay, so they're making these adjustments really carefully, and you can see there's the dip in the drainage ditch, and I think they're going to stop right there and they're going to align it so we're getting it straight. There we are. Make it look easy, huh? These guys know what they're doing. And they get ready to go straight back. All right, here we are. It's going back. And they had to drop a tree back there at the last second. And there's Mark, that's Mark's brother. And almost on that quickly. I would say it's taken about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, right now they're covering up the septic pipe, and they're placing the boards over that so the tires can go over that. We don't want to crush that septic pipe. So they're going to run this corner tire right over it. It's probably going to go back. I'm thinking they're going to go way deep in here before they turn it, because it's a long unit. There they are. Ooh, no, come to a halt. No, he's going to make it. Ooh, over the septic pipe. Keep going. We're just going to push it through. You can see those tires, they have the ability to bend and pivot and be real flexible. There we go. There we go. Very neat, very exciting. There's the back lot line. Okay.
very happy for Mark. This is a big day. This is exciting. This took no more than 30 minutes, but I can't believe it. Okay, they're going to straighten this up probably. They're going off the back lot line.
Paul Katroff, we've shown you the installation of a cabin. This cabin is 800 square foot. People ask me all the time, what can you put on a single lot? You've just seen an 800 square foot cabin installed over a single lot. The guys did this in 30 minutes flat. They did a bang up job. They know what they're doing. And you can see on a 40 foot wide lot, you have an 800 square foot cabin. You have the shed at the back. Look at all this drivability right down here. You can put 3 or 4 cars right here. You could put a boat right here. A 40 by 100 lot gives you plenty of space to do what you want. And sometimes you just have to see it done. This is what's great about the video. It lets you see the square footage you have and how to utilize it. But these guys are about done installing this unit. And you know, they've seen me run around with the camera, and I think I've documented enough. But I think you all get the picture of what you can do, and I hope that your journey is as successful as Mark's. And I want to be there when you develop your lot, and I want to upload a video to YouTube if you don't mind, because I like to relish in the success of other people. I'm very happy for them. Anyway, Paul Katroff, 423 Buy Land. Been a great video. Good luck. Call me anytime.